Hello everyone, today we will be making butter chicken. First we have to marinate the chicken. So the ingredients for marination are half kg of boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin and coriander powder, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of mustard oil, salt as per taste and 1 tablespoon of haldi powder. 2 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoon of oil, half a cup of hung curd and juice of half a lime. Now the first step is to heat up 2 tablespoon of oil in a tadka pan. Now for marination of the chicken, add the chicken in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. 1 tablespoon of cumin and coriander seed powder, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, one tablespoon of haldi powder, salt as per taste and half teaspoon of mustard oil. Add 2 tablespoon of red chili powder, half cup of hung curd, and the juice of half a lime. Now mix all the spices together and make sure each chicken is coated well with this mixture. Now by this time your oil should be smoking hot. Pour the hot oil on the chicken. Now mix this well together with the help of a spoon. Now take this chicken mixture and cover it with some foil. Now you need to refrigerate your chicken mixture for around 2 to 3 hours. Now next step is to make the base for the gravy. The ingredients that you will need are 4 to 5 dried red chilies, 2 tomatoes finely chopped and 2 medium sized onions which are also finely chopped, or you can roughly chop them. Salt as per taste, 10 to 15 cashews and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Also 2 tablespoons of oil. Now in a kadai add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add your 2 medium sized onions finely chopped. Stir the onions until they are pink and translucent in color. Once the onions are softened, add in your 2 tomatoes which are finely chopped. Mix the onion and tomatoes together. To this add salt as per taste. Continue stirring until the tomatoes are mushy. Now cover this for 5 minutes on medium flame until you see oil on the sides of the pan. After 5 minutes, give this a good stir. Now to this add your 4 to 5 dried red chili, 10 to 15 cashews, and your 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and continue stirring until the raw taste and smell of the ginger garlic paste is all gone. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is all gone, switch off your flame. Take this mixture out on a plate and let it cool down completely. Now take out your chicken from the fridge. Now this chicken has been sitting for 2 to 3 hours for marination. Now take out this chicken pieces onto a griller. Here I am going to use an oven, a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now place all your chicken pieces on the griller. Carefully place your chicken grill plate in your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chicken is done after 10 to 15 minutes, let it cool down completely. Now for making the gravy, take the cooled mixture of tomato, onion, red chili, cashews, ginger garlic paste and transfer it into a mixture jar. Now blend this. Now it should look something like this. Add about 2 tablespoons of water and blend this again. Now it should look like a thick paste consistency. Now for making the gravy, you will be needing 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and salt as per taste. Also 2 tablespoons of ketchup, tomato ketchup. And half a cup of water. Also you will be needing 2 tablespoons of oil. Now in a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now when you add your butter, reduce your flame to low. We don't want to burn the butter, we just want to melt the butter. Give this a good stir. To this add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste and give this a good stir. Now to this add your paste which we had made earlier. Now after adding your paste, continuously keep on stirring. Now to this add about half a cup of water. Stir this. Now cover it with a lid and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, add in your chicken pieces. Give this a good stir. And there you have it, your butter chicken is ready. Serve this with some naan or roti or parathas. I have uploaded my maska paratha recipe. The link is in the description. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.